So we're going to try and see what we can get off with big wipes. So we've got some 𝗙𝗿𝗿𝗿 product. So let's get some of that 𝗙𝗿𝗿𝗿 product on our hands. That's really gloopy, horrible, sticky stuff. Now we're not going to stop there. We're going to add some yellow oil-based paint. So let's get some oil-based paint in there. Let's get some graphite grease in there. Let's get some general purpose grease in there. So we've got a proper mess. Worst place to get this, you don't want to do it. Let's get that in the hairs of the arm. So it's a good old mess. There's all that product. So we're going to take some big wipes heavy duty. So it's blue fabric, red lid. So we're going to get the dual-sided textured face. Textured face goes down on that grime. And we're going to see if we can drive that wipe in to all of that 𝗙𝗿𝗿𝗿𝗿, the grease, the grime, and the paint. And how much can we get off in one go? Well, I'd say that's pretty much 100% one swipe. And the real bonus as well is I pretty much clean the other hand for free. And the great thing about big wipes is once that muck is in that wipe, it stays in that wipe. So I'm going to take the same big wipes heavy duty fabric, I'm going to sort out that muck on my arm. So that's particularly claggy, but with big wipes, there's me squeaking clean, ready for the next touch.